Good morning. This is Peter Frontier for Allendale's morning wake-up call for Friday, August 16th. As of right now, we have December corn down 3 cents to 3.94. December Chicago wheat down a half a penny to 5.49 3/4, and November beans down 7.25 cents to 9.61 1/4. All right, let's get right into this today. We did see exports yesterday for corn at 921,000, a good number, but we did want to see something in the 1 million range. So very good number there. Also, we are seeing some poor basis levels around the nation. Just speaking to some clients and such, and that is because the USDA, when they came out with the report on Monday, gave us a 1.876 billion ending stocks for old crop. So what we are seeing here, don't really see too much fund activity with short covering, but we are seeing a lot of farmers selling at these levels, keeping these prices pulled back here. We're looking for some type of bounce, and we're not seeing it, and partly due to farmers selling because, well, they need to clear out some of their bins and such, and at these prices, it really doesn't matter. They've got to get it cleared out because they've got a new crop coming in, as we all know. Beans exports yesterday were fantastic. Came in over the highest expectations yesterday, so that's great to see. Right now, came in right over the 1.5 million expectation. So a good number that we're seeing there. Wheat. So with what we're looking at wheat here, once again, the overseas market did make new lows yesterday, which is not helping out here today, as we are lower here. Exports were right within the middle of the range. They were moderate at 385,000. So not adding pressure, not adding any type of support either, just hanging out here. What we've got to see here is we do need some better news from exports that will help out this market. Also, we do need to see the overseas start coming off their yearly lows. And finally, we have cattle. So yesterday's box beef choice was up 206. Select was up 153. That packer cushion's now over $9.07. Surprisingly, though, we did see cash sales $3 lower in all areas yesterday. So in most times when we have been over $9, or I'm sorry, over $8 for packers, we tend to see cash trades higher. So with this $8 higher over pack cushion, $9 higher, we're seeing that letting cash go quickly this week is what's happening here. So the box beef did make a new 30-day high yesterday. So we have to think that if box beef keeps on moving higher, cash will eventually follow here. Something you need to keep a careful eye on here, though. So conflicting in cattle here. Packer cushion's good. We are seeing some recent highs in box beef, but yet we're trading $3 lower. So, and as we know, this market has been very choppy here for the past month and a half here. So just be careful with the cattle. If you do have any questions, please feel free to call me. 815-578-6157. I can help you out with any of your needs. Otherwise, call into your broker. He'll be able to help you out with anything you need there too. So we're going into a Friday. Yes. So we could see some short covering here. Especially in these beans, since we have pulled back so much. So we could see some short covering here, profit taking going into the weekends. So any questions, please feel free to call into Allendale at 1-800-2-MARKETS. Have a wonderful and safe weekend. This is Peter Frontier for Allendale's morning wake-up call.